my Into the AM stuff came in. 2 words to describe this apparel would be ventilated and the comfort. Gonna look here at the snapback. You can see that it has like an astronomical theme to it. Very soft, relaxed fit. In terms of the shirt, guys, very ventilated. Almost feels like an Under Armour material. Simplicity is there. I like the relaxed feel on this, guys. If you guys are interested in checking out any of the apparel, check out the link down below. Get 10% off when you order using my discount code. So I want to give a special shout out to Jerome over at Into the AM. Going up straight, guys, there's like a huge reservoir up there, really scenic spot, but we're gonna turn around here and pull over so I can put the head mount on for you. I just want to make sure that coolant leak is not out here right now. Look at this. Want to make sure nothing's... I smell coolant, I just don't see it. See, there's some on the intake right there chilling, but it's not to the point where it's all over the block or anything, so I'm not going to really even worry about it, to be honest. So... but yeah, this is it, guys. One of the coolest spots. I don't know the name of this place, but this is the bottom reservoir. If you keep driving up that windy road, there's a reservoir at the top with like a dam. It's super cool. New Hartford, Barkhamsted area in Connecticut. So we're gonna rip, dude. Look at the SIs looking clean right now. Oh, I also put my stock muffler back on until I go straight pipe. A lot of you guys are wondering, I'm going straight pipe from the axle back. I'm not doing a full straight pipe, just for like emissions and loud purposes. So last turn. Is this the last one? Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, drop me a like, drop all your comments down below. Really want to get into track driving. Not so much autocross, but more of like, you know, time lapse and things like that. So be sure to drop your comments down below. How many of you guys track your cars? If it's a Honda, Subaru, Miata, whatever you guys have, drop your comments down below. I'd like to hear. And be sure to subscribe, guys. I have more videos on the way. I have some fire edits coming for you all soon. A big race tomorrow with the K24. That's going to be pretty interesting to see who's going to take the W on that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Come on, man. By this guy up here. Ooh, thank God I didn't. Thank God I didn't. Thank God I didn't. Woo!